Hey, good morning, everyone. Hmm. Good morning, Teja, and good morning, Mohammed Kazim. Yeah. Good morning, Abhi, and good morning, all. Hi, Pankalu. Can you please unmute from your side? Yeah, hi. I cannot hear you, Pankalu.
Sir, now it is
Yeah, hi,
audible.
hi. Yeah, tell me, Pankalu, how are you?
సార్ బాగున్నారా సార్
బాగున్నాను చెప్పండి.
సార్ అది గిట్హబ్ యూఆర్ఎల్ లింక్ మిమ్మల్ని అడిగి తీసుకున్నాను సార్ లేదు సార్
అవునా మీరు టెలిగ్రామ్ లో ఉన్నారా?
లేదు సార్ నేను నిన్నటి నుంచి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను అడ్మిన్స్ బిజీగా ఉన్నారని చెప్తున్నాను సార్
అవునా, సరే సరే. సరే, నేను నీకు ఒక లింక్ పంపిస్తాను ఇప్పుడే.
సార్
ఆ లింక్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వు.
ఓకే సార్
సో ఒక్క నిమిషం. రైట్ నా ఐఎమ్ సెండింగ్ ఇట్ టు యూ. ఏదైనా ఇష్యూ ఉంటే చెప్పండి పానకాలు, ఓకేనా?
సరే సార్ అదే కొత్త సార్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్కి అందుకే
ఓకే ఓకే. నో వరీస్. ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ సెండ్ యూ ద లింక్ రైట్ నౌ. 1 second. ఓకే. చాట్ లో ఒక లింక్ పంపించాను చూడండి.
వచ్చింది సార్
యా. సో యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇన్ గ్రూప్.
ఓకే
ఒకసారి
సార్
జాయిన్ అవుతారా?
అవుతున్నాం సార్
యా. జాయిన్ అయ్యారా?
ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్ జాయిన్ గ్రూప్ అని వచ్చింది క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నాను
జాయిన్. ఒక్క నిమిషం. మీరు జాయిన్ గ్రూప్ అని కొట్టంగానే ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి.
ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్ పాపప్
ఓ,
పేజ్ కూడా లోడ్ అవ్వట్లేదు
సరే, ఒక పని చేయండి. ఓపెన్ ఇన్ వెబ్ అని కొట్టండి. జాయిన్ గ్రూప్ కాకుండా ఓపెన్ ఇన్ వెబ్ అని కొట్టండి, ఏమొస్తుందో.
నాకు జాయిన్ గ్రూప్ ఒకటే వచ్చింది సార్
అవునా? ఓకే ఓకే. సో సరే, మీ టెలిగ్రామ్కి మీ మొబైల్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కదా?
సార్
ఆ, ఒకసారి మేము ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి. నాకు ఈ టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ పెద్దగా తెలియదు. ఆ, 1 second. Sir, can you please say your mobile number directly?
సరే సార్ 77
77
320
320
67
67
807 సార్
807. Okay, 1 second. Okay, first of all, there will be no class today. I just wanted to, hear some concerns from everyone because I have connected to mobile internet today. I think it's very much weak. So that's the reason I just wanted to communicate with everyone and ask if candidates are having any issues in understanding the classes and all these kind of things. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, I have added you to the group, Panakalu.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
So
సార్ చెప్పండి
yeah,
సార్
I think I will just share that one again over here. Did you receive it right now? The links in Telegram.
టెలిగ్రామ్ సార్ శ్రీనివాస్ జావా రీల్ సార్
Okay, I think you have received the booking service zip as well as payment service zip.
ఎస్ సార్
Okay. I don't know how to access recorded sessions, Prakash. I mostly recommend people to listen, the live classes because that will be really good, Prakash. I think in recording sessions, you'll be having a lot of lag between the videos. There will be a lot of students' concerns, students' doubts, and all these kind of things. Okay, but you can check with the management. I don't have any information on that. You can just reach out to Srikanth. Probably he might help you. Okay. Ashok.
Yeah, yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, Ashok. Tell me, Ashok.
Yeah, I didn't, this course I didn't take with recorded videos. That's why I'm unable to practice daily sessions. How can I practice the daily sessions and all? That's my question.
Are you attending everyday classes?
Yes, I'm attending everyday classes. But is this that is a best way to once again watch recorded video and then practice? That is a best way, or any other best way you can please suggest?
Yeah, Ashok. See, whatever the issues are, whatever the issues that you are finding on the application or whatever the application that you are working on, if you have any questions in your mind, just please ask me in the meeting at any point of time. I'll be able to help you and resolve your doubts.
Okay.
Have you done the payment service and the booking service related applications? Have you worked on that first of all?
No, I didn't spend time on that. That's why I'm thinking once again we'll go to
No,
once again watch.
even if you have the recorded videos, right?
Well,
Same issue will rise, but issues will be resolved only when you are working on that application, when you are starting from the beginning. Every day there has to be a practice, otherwise it will not be on the correct path, Ashok.
okay. The recorded videos it's an optional, right? Or it's not a recommended way, right?
It's an optional, yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Panakalu, you just received the links.
జిప్ ఫైల్ డౌన్లోడ్ సార్. సార్ మరి
Oh.
గిట్హబ్ URL సెండ్ చేస్తానండి.
GitHub URL also I will ping you. No issues in that. So 1 second. Okay, these are the GitHub links. But I have not committed anything inside the GitHub link, so you can download the zip directly, Panakalu.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, in the GitHub I have actually placed the basic code, the payment service type, payment gateway, everything is there inside the zip file. Okay,
ఓకే సార్.
but I have not committed it. There is a reason for it. I will let you know. Okay.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే కనీసం readme.db ఫైల్ అన్న దొరుకుతుంది కదా
Sorry,
సార్? readme.db ఫైల్ దొరుకుతుంది కదా
మీ వాయిస్ లోగా వినిపిస్తుంది మాకు.
గిట్హబ్ లో readme.db ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు కదా సార్.
అవునవును.
యానిటేషన్స్, క్లాసెస్ అవి ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకున్నాను సార్.
మీకు గిట్హబ్ లింక్ ఉంది కదా,
అవును సార్.
github.com/dhanvi02 అని కొడితే మీకు లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ రిపాజిటరీస్ వస్తాయి. అక్కడ మీరు readme.md ఫైల్స్ డైరెక్ట్ గా చదవచ్చు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
యా, ఓకే ఓకే పనకాలు, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yes, Suresh.
Yeah, I just wanted to know the path where you upload the project. I think you might have told what in few class. I'm not sure.
Are you there in the Telegram?
I'm not sure. Starting few classes I missed out, so I'm not sure. You might have shared that. If you can share, you can share once again.
Okay,
then-
you are there in Telegram channel, right, Suresh?
Yeah, I should be there. I've never tried accessing that.
Oh, okay. So you have not taken the code and started understanding the code, or how it is like, Suresh?
Code means I just practice based on the video. I'm registered for the video, so
Okay.
I hear and practice together.
Okay, anything will be fine. But do you know my GitHub, first of all?
I remember like one of the class you shared that.
Hmm.
If you can share back in the chat, that would be great. If I can.
Okay, sure. I'll share my repository. You
Mhm.
can just take whatever you want from there. Only the public repository, only access will be there.
Okay, got it. So if you can share that, I think that will be great. So that's the only source of information, right? And whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So right now I have not committed the booking service and the payment service up to date, because we just have to convert this two services into Maven multi-module, and then
Mhm.
I will just commit that project. Okay.
Yeah, sure. And other thing is like when you enter the card details, right? And let's say the card expires after a year or of months. So what happens in that case? So it will have some, because what happens let's say we have scheduled for monthly payment or whatever, right? And if you're not able to make the payment, right, so that impact the credit history basically. So we have to remove, or we can update that information.
No. Right now we are using test cards, right, Suresh?
Okay, it's not going to deduct anything.
Yeah, it's not going to expire, because those test cards are only used for testing.
I'm talking in general, like when we have some monthly subscription or something, right? So if you want to update or you want to remove, in that case, how it works? We can update the information, right? You can go there and update.
See, basically, no. See, let's say you have enrolled for some loan, right? So let's say you have taken the loan on credit card. Okay,
Mhm.
so your monthly payment will deduct only from your credit card if it is having a valid amount, correct?
Yeah, correct.
So let's say your credit card expiry is done. Okay, your card is expired. Now the bank was unable to, debit the amount from your credit card because it is expired. So now,
Yeah.
if that is the particular case, we'll be getting a lot of interest, right? We need to pay a lot of interest. We need to make sure that our card is working properly. So we need to update from our side, or we need to reach out to the
Remove that.
bank to upgrade our credit card to the latest one. Otherwise, if there are any loans taken on the credit card, the interest will be there. So it will be a burden for us, not on
But
them.
in this case, they will
No,
terminate.
probably. Have you seen negative amounts in the credit card?
No, I have not seen.
No, even there is no card expiry, or let's say if there is no amount, the vendor who has given you the loan, they will just deduct your credit card as long as even there is no amount, or even if the card is expired, the amount will still be deducted and it will go to the minus amount.
Okay, got it.
Right?
But
So that access will
loan
still be
things will
there
be,
with a lot of banks.
yeah, loan things will be different because the amount
Yeah.
will be. But in this case, when you buy some, when I add my name as a subscription, like Amazon or anything, right? It will be like couple of dollars, right? So in that case, it expires because the
Yeah, it
amount will
expires
be
and you'll not be able to order anything, right? So you need to upgrade your card at that particular case.
Oh, we have to. Otherwise, it will impact the
No,
history.
no, see, you have a card, you know that it is going to expire in the next 2 days. If you are not going to upgrade it, then what Amazon will do, first of all, right? Flipkart, they will not be able to do anything, right?
Yeah, they will terminate your city.
Yeah. So the payments will not happen and we will not be getting any of the orders.
Okay. Because what happens is here, like if you add and if you're not able to make the payment, then that impacts the history and all. That's
Right, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, got it. So maybe I should either remove it, or once I remove again, I can add it, right?
Yeah, you
With
need to add a new card. Yes.
the same account I can update, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, exactly.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay, sure, Mahesh. I will add you into the Telegram channel. Okay, 1 second. I'll just do it right now because so 9822 96 5024. So if anyone want to ask any other questions related to the sessions covered till now, you can just ask me right away. So due to bad internet, I am unable to take a class today. So sorry for that. Mahesh Akude. Nine eight double two 96 5024. Yeah, I will be able to, Neha. One second, guys. One second, guys. I'm connecting to mobile data, other hotspot. 1 second, I will join. Okay. Okay, guys. See, a Docker setup document. What is that, Manikanta? Can you just share your screen? I will tell you how to set up the Docker. Can you please share your screen? You are not from LKG, right, Manikanta? Sir, I just wanted to know the flow of execution handling. That means how to handle one exception in our booking service, which is thrown by payment service. No, no. If exception is being raised by payment service, that will be handled only by the payment service only, and not by the booking service. Okay. Manikanta, can you please share your screen? Do I have to repeat it every time? Manikanta is not there. Okay. Akash, can you please unmute? I just wanted to hear it properly from your side. What is your question?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. So
Yeah.
I am just facing some internet connectivity issues. Yeah, you can tell me.
Okay. Sir, I just want to know if payment service throwing any specific exception.
Mhm.
Like if we are giving incorrect values to our payment service through booking service. Okay. So in that
Can you
case,
just show me the use case? Can you show me a use case? Can you
okay,
share your screen first of all?
okay. 1 second.
Because theory will not be
Yeah,
sufficient
yeah.
sometimes. Yeah. So you can open the two services and you can just say me the context. That will
Yes.
be fine for me. Yeah.
So this is payment service, sir.
Okay.
Just I want to Ask if okay. So booking service sending one JSON booking service sending one request to payment service. Okay.
Right?
So in that case, suppose here we can modify some data here. Okay. So in
Mhm.
that case, here this charge is throwing Stripe exception. Okay.
Right.
So I want to send this particular Stripe exception to booking service. Means for
Mhm.
user friendly. If something went
Mhm.
wrong in payment service
Hmm.
or this Stripe exception particular message I want to send
Right.
to booking service.
Mhm.
So in that case, how can we handle that exception?
Yeah. See, that cannot be propagated, Akash, because from every service is individual, right?
Yes, yes,
So right now, if you don't have any exception handler over here, that exception will be logged over here. That's it.
yes, yes.
So it will
Here
not
we
be
have
propagated to, yeah.
Hmm.
So we need to have a handler over here as well.
Yeah, we have a handler here, sir.
Okay.
But this handler is itself catching this means triggering this exception and showing to us means in the payment
That's what I
service
am
only.
saying, right? That's what I am
Yes,
writing, right? The
yes,
exceptions
yes.
cannot be propagated from one service to another service.
Okay,
It
okay.
is only respective to the service.
Yes, yes.
But there is a different way. I will let you know.
Okay, okay. Sure, sir.
Okay? Yeah, don't worry about that.
Sir, yesterday I implemented Razorpay, sir.
Okay.
So I just want to know the flow of Razorpay means we are getting the payment details from client to server, okay, and we are creating one order
Hmm.
at server means
Hmm.
our in our Spring Boot level,
Mhm.
okay. So after creating the order, we are means I'm confirming. I confirm this. I want confirmation on this flow, sir. Just
Okay.
so we are creating one order and hitting the Razorpay client API,
Hmm.
okay,
Hmm.
by
Hmm.
sending
Hmm.
this
Hmm.
order request.
Hmm. Hmm.
So here we are getting order.
Mhm.
So uh, this one means this only our job, sir, or
Yeah, that is the only job because
okay,
see, right now we just have to send all these details from the front end to back end,
yes,
and
yes,
these details will be handled accordingly. Okay. So anyhow, Razorpay is also working, right, for you.
yes, yes, yes. It is working for
Hmm?
us. This
Yeah,
is working for
it will work. It will work.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. So
Because
the same,
Stripe is
see,
not
whenever you
working
are
for
working
me.
for
So
yeah, the
that's
only
why
thing is Stripe is the Stripe account setup is not proper,
yeah,
maybe.
yeah.
So
Because
just
when I created Stripe, then at that time I chose India as a country. So in India, I think
oh,
Stripe
okay,
is not
okay.
supported India.
But we have tested that for our for my secret key,
Yes, yes, yes,
and
yes,
it is from India, right? So
yes, yes, yes.
basically, something wrong with your Stripe account setup. So that's the total idea.
Okay, okay, sure, sir.
Okay, yeah. And can you show me the data for this successful response inside the Razorpay?
I need to hit this, sir. I need to modify some
Oh,
code,
you
sir.
have not tested it out?
Yes, yes, I tested, but after that, I
Hmm.
did some experiment on this.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay.
Fine.
If
Yeah.
you want, I will just here I created one interface, sir, and two payment gateways. One is Stripe
Yeah.
and one is for Razorpay.
Hmm. Yeah.
So,
Test it out right now. We'll just see.
okay, okay, okay. Service IMP.
And show the dependency also to some other people. They will also, there is a
Yes,
Razorpay
yes,
dependency, right? Yeah.
yes, yes.
Show that to these people also. It
I
will be
have
good and
added
clear.
this dependency, sir. First of all,
Razorpay hyphen Java. Same
yeah,
Stripe hyphen Java.
yes.
Same kind of things. Yeah.
Yeah. After that, we need to add some keys
Yeah.
in
There
application.
will be two
Yeah.
keys. Yeah. Yeah.
Two keys.
Key ID and the key secret.
Yes. This
Yeah.
is our secret key and Razorpay key.
Right, exactly the same. Yeah, good.
This is optional, sir. INR and it.
I think even if we show this key ID and key secret, it doesn't matter because anyhow this is a test account, right?
Yes,
Only
yes,
the
test
live
account.
account, only the live account credentials we don't have to share.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Yeah, good. And then Razer Payment Gateway. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I implemented this.
So, good, good. So anyhow, we are just going to use this in our major project, but there will be a very good UI for this. The
Yes,
Razer
yes.
Pay itself provides a very good UI. You can test it out. We'll just see right now.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I'll also show some screenshots what I have done on this Razer Pay. It's very simple, but it's very interesting because from front end to back end, it will be very much interesting.
Yes. So payment gateway. Okay. I need to open booking service, sir. Give me a minute. Okay. Booking service.
But when we are using Raspberry Pi, right, Akash,
Yes, sir.
we don't need much code because anyhow we will be doing the transaction only from the front end, and we need
Yes,
to
sir.
store the transaction ID in the only the back end. So
Yes, yes.
yeah, so I'll just show you that right now. But
Okay.
let's see the execution and then we'll go accordingly. And one more thing, if anyone is facing any issues related to Docker, you can also ask me if your Docker environment, if your Docker itself is not up and running. So one more thing, there is something called virtualization. In your system, if virtualization is not enabled, then Docker will not run. Okay. So please make sure that you have Docker running in your system. And if you are facing any issues, kindly let me know. Don't be late on your implementations. Just practice every day. Yeah, you can send it. Oh, it's taking so much time. Okay, now done. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Let's see the Razer Pay. If it is succeeded or not. Probably there might be some things might be missing for preparing the response. Go to the payment and see the logs. Razer payment. Dashboard.razorpay.com, dashboard.stripe.com, right? Only the you can just unmute.
Yes, yes. I think I have selected wrong. Dashboard.
I think most of the even Swiggy is also using Razer Pay, I guess. Not Swiggy, I think Zomato.
Yes, sir. 12 December.
Yeah,
9:47.
the amount is done. And here you do have a order ID, but
Order ID is
can you click
created.
on, yeah, can you click on that?
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, you can unshare your screen right now.
Okay. We need to send this order ID to our front end.
Yeah, I'll just share my screen and I will
Okay.
tell you. Okay, so
Yes,
here,
yes.
can you all, yeah, can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Yeah. So this is a Hunger Savior portal. So this is one screenshot, and this is another screenshot. The second step where I just wanted to, pay the amount 1,000 rupees, and then probably the next step, the payment was successful. And here you'll be getting the transaction ID, pay underscore N5, OC 9B LM T550K05. So this is the transaction ID that we need to store inside the payment service database with the transaction ID. So that's it. So that's what you need to do. Okay. And anyhow, we are going to develop this portal at any cost when we are starting with the manager project. Okay. So that's all. So that's the total idea, Akash. So probably we just have to send the transaction ID. We don't have to use Razorpay, .pay, all these kind of things. Everything we'll be doing it in the front end, and we'll be sending the transaction ID to the payment service. Very simple.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Akash. So
Yeah,
if
yes.
Razorpay is working, then probably you can just post your payment zip file in the Telegram channel so that people will take.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sure. Sure.
Thank you. So anyone is stuck with any of the issues? Guys, please open up, because this is the best time you can just connect with me and you can resolve your system related issues. Raise your hand or ping me if you have any questions. But it is really strange. Manikanta, are you there? Manikanta is not there. He just said, can you please provide document for Docker setup? That's it. And he left. Okay. Please attend the sessions every day, because every day there will be a lot of useful scenarios that I will be able to cover. But right now, when we are done with this mini project, we'll be starting with the Angular part, where we'll be concentrating on the Angular UI. So we'll be developing the Angular components from scratch. So there will be very much less CSS, and we are going to develop a portal which is just going to look very awesome in terms of the UI style, the components, the component style, the component CSS. Everything will be good with a lot of animations. Okay, so that's the total idea. I think most of the people are quiet. I don't know. So Neha, you can just unmute from your side, Neha. Yeah, I cannot hear you, Neha. Okay, so there might be some mic issue from your side. No, you have unmuted from your side. So, but if you speak, then probably you have asked about the solid design principles, right? So actually, we are following the single responsibility principle, the dependency inversion principle, which is the last one, and the single responsibility principle. So we have covered only these two. Now, also, okay. So don't worry, we will go project wise, because if we actually discuss each and every topic in a separate, topic wise will not be good. But when we go on a project level basis and understand the situation, then only we will be able to use it in a right situation when we need to use that particular concept and how to implement that. I think I always follow that pattern instead of explaining. Hope you understand. Any other inputs from anyone? I think Neha has asked some questions related to solid design principles. So I'll definitely, cover those principles as well once we actually develop the project-based scenarios. Pankalu, you can just ping me at any time if you are facing any issues. Okay, so please ping me in Telegram if you are not able to run the application or anything like that. Just ping me in Telegram. I will be able to respond to your query. Okay. And yeah. So kindly, yes, Neha, I understand completely. Okay, Neha, I will tell you right now. Okay. So if anyone, so the Neha Kumari is asking, so has gone to some interview and they have asked some couple of questions on design patterns, which we have used in the project. Okay. So frankly to say, Neha, we will just cover some design patterns for our knowledge purpose when the time comes. But right now, in order to answer this question, right, in a frank way, so right now, if you are using a Spring framework, we don't have to use any of the patterns until unless it is required. It uses a singleton design pattern. It uses a factory design pattern. It uses a strategy design pattern. Everything it is going to use, and it is going to use proxy design pattern, right? It is going to use the facade pattern. All the patterns are being used by the Spring framework itself, and why we need to use or implement any other pattern which we don't require, right? So, but I know some of the patterns which are really useful and we can use those implementations whenever we are developing some core Java applications which are not integrated with Spring framework. You know that there are basically so many applications which are not having any framework level access. That means if you just see some banking applications, they just use core Java along with AWS Cloud. They don't use any frameworks. Okay, so in those cases of scenarios, we might have to use design patterns. But I have not worked on any of the projects which are not having Spring framework. But I know some design patterns from my side. If you just wanted me to explain that, then probably I know singleton design pattern. I know strategy design pattern, right? I know proxy design pattern. So like this, you can give an answer, Neha Kumari, and it's basically what from your side. So whenever you are saying like this in an interview, then probably they will understand that there's no use of using design pattern whenever we are using Spring framework unless it is required, will not be able to use it. Okay. Hope you got the answer from my side, Neha. Yeah. See, the only thing, so whenever someone asks about design pattern, Neha, so let's say you have to give the answer like this. Yes, I do have knowledge on design patterns, but I didn't get a chance to implement those in my projects because right now I'm working completely on Spring Framework based applications, sir. So what I can say, in Spring Framework, we are using singleton design pattern, we are using factory design pattern, we are using strategy design pattern, right? We are using so many principles like dependency inversion principle, right? All these kind of things we are using inside the framework. The framework itself is going to provide to us. So I didn't get a chance to, implement any of the patterns, but I have a knowledge on, a singleton design pattern, factory design pattern, proxy design pattern, strategy design pattern, facade pattern, decorator pattern, all these patterns. Some of the patterns, see, there are 3 types of design patterns, Neha: creational, behavioral, and structural. When it comes to creational design pattern, you have something called singleton pattern, right? You have factory design pattern, you have builder design pattern. So right now, if you use, if you see this Lombok, right, we are using @builder, right? So we don't have to create an object for the class. You can just directly call the dot builder, and then you can just call the dot properties and pass the values. So it is just working on the fly. So the framework and the artifacts that we are going to use, everything is going to provide us the design pattern implementation. So we don't have to, implement all those patterns first of all, correct? So what we just wanted to do, at least from our side, when it comes to creational, right? When it comes to creational, we will just say that, hey, there is a singleton design pattern, and there is a factory design pattern, and there is a builder design pattern. So these are the 3 different patterns inside the creation, but we do have a lot more. But let's say we do have another one, which is a behavioral pattern where, strategy design pattern will come, right? So strategy will actually, what it will do, it will inject the appropriate instance to the, taken dependency at runtime, and probably it is going to call that implementation. So basically the implementation will decide only at the runtime. There is something called a strategy design pattern. So when it comes to structural design pattern, right? So structural design pattern, you can consider the decorator pattern. Basically, we are going to change the structure of the design pattern. So that's it. So probably I will let you know about this pattern, some of these patterns, maybe in middle of the training session. So probably you don't have to worry about that, but probably you can just explain these points to the interviewer so that he will be able to convince. Okay. Spring Boot is not going to use singleton design pattern. That's a wrong question, Neha. Spring itself uses singleton design pattern. Okay. So whenever you annotate any of the beans with @component or @service or we have stereotype annotations, right? @service, @component, or @controller. So when you use all these annotations, it makes our class as a singleton class. That means only one instance will be created across the whole application. Even if you are getting the bean for multiple times, it will actually show you the scopes concept is there, right, Akash? So Neha, just refresh your knowledge on scopes. Okay, Spring Bean scopes. Just use application context factory equal to new annotation config application context and call .get bean on the application context factory. You will be able to get the things. Call .get bean a number of times and see the reference of that reference variable. When you call .get bean a number of times, you will be able to see the same instance. That means it is basically implementing a singleton design pattern for all the classes that we are going to use inside a Spring application framework. Okay. So every time when we call or create a bean, it will actually create only one instance, and that instance will be shared across the whole application. Okay. So that's the purpose. I will ask you this question. Please practice it. If you are not aware of it, then probably I will be able to explain. Okay. First go through that, and I have already explained this in one of my sessions. If you are not there, I will not be able to do anything. Hope you are there in every session, right, Neha? Okay. So probably you can just go through the bean scopes in Spring, so you'll be able to understand it. Okay, fine, no problem. No, in the actual sessions also I have explained it, right? If not, we'll see that tomorrow. Okay, we'll just see that tomorrow. I'll be able to explain that use case. Yeah, no problem. I will be able to explain that again. Suresh, you raised your hand again. Any questions or previously you raised it?
Actually, you shared the link, right? I see many of them, like many of the project repo is empty. Just have the README.
Can you please share your screen? I will be able to guide you.
I'm using another this. Okay. I'm trying on another machine actually parallelly. This is only for. So if you now this thing right, I was just opening that fake notification system. It doesn't have anything.
Okay, right now you can just open the booking service and the payment service, Suresh.
Java. Okay. No, actually, I'm trying to use this without Dockers. I want to see to have anything where I can try out. Not for this
Yeah.
project.
Yeah, I think without Docker, we do have something like Core Java to Spring based application. So that is not including Docker.
But
There is one application.
But this doesn't have any code. It's just how README.
How you can say there is no code? 1 second. 1 second. I'm just opening right now.
Yeah, so you can talk. Hopefully, you can upload that certificate.
Now, which one you have used? Core Java to Spring application? Core Java to Spring Boot web project, right?
Yeah, correct.
So right now, can you see the branches on the top? Can you see the branches on the top? There is a main branch, right? Yeah. There are five branches. So you can just select Core Java, Basic Code, Spring Code, Spring Web Code, and Spring Boot Web Code. Can you see that?
Actually, I didn't install the GitHub on the machine where I'm looking into.
No, GitHub is not required. 1 second. Let me share my screen. Can you see this one? This is what you are getting it, right?
Not really. Okay, I need to log in with my GitHub account. Then only I can see. Okay.
Yeah. No. You will be able to see it. See, can you see my screen right now?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, but I
Yeah,
don't see.
so
I don't see this main and all. I just open. You get the link.
no,
Right?
no. So you will be able to see this branches. See here.
Okay.
So if you select Core Java Basic Code,
Okay. So
okay.
actually, this whole thing, I just opened that I'm repository. So
If you can share your screen, then probably I can explain how to access that.
let me do one thing. I have another machine. I can just share that machine. I need to stop here and just
Okay. Yeah.
This is a new machine. This I want to configure this.
Okay. Yeah, you can just log into that machine and let me know.
That will take some time. Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Naresh?
Hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Naresh. What about you?
I'm good. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
I just imported this payment service which you shared in the Telegram.
Okay.
It's saying like version 3.2.0 is like not found. It's like my JDK issue or what, sir? This could be.
No. So can you just go on to the top left? Okay. Do one thing. Can you just select the project? Can you just select the project from the left side?
Okay.
Yeah. And can you go on top of the top left? There is a file option.
File, okay. Project structure. You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open the project structure.
Okay.
And go to the project, the first project. Yeah. And here, 1 second. Can you just select the 17th version? No. Below. There is a text blocks, right? Yeah. So choose 17. Can you go to top? Yeah. No, there will be there. It will be there. Can you go
Can you go to
move up? Yep, move up again.
Okay.
Come down. Okay, which version of IntelliJ is this?
Community, I think I recently downloaded
You
community.
recently downloaded it. Okay, just do one thing. Just do one more thing.
Okay.
Can you just go
Yeah.
to your IntelliJ again and select the
Okay.
project structure again? Select the project structure.
Okay.
Yeah. And go to the modules.
Modules. Okay.
Okay, here also the language level issues there. You'll not
Yeah,
be
it's
able to see 7, right? Okay.
yeah,
Okay, do one
17.
more
Yeah.
thing and select SDKs from the left side.
SDKs. Okay.
Yeah. So here I think you have, okay. Problem is, C users Lenovo.jdks. What is this Coreto?
This is I downloaded from the Intel JD. Local I didn't set up any JDK.
No,
This from just
you
JDK.
need to set up in the local. Okay, let me do one
Okay.
thing. Can you just can you just open the Google Chrome? Don't do like this. You will be getting issues.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So here you can just open the Chrome
Yes, sir.
and just type download JDK 17. JDK 17. Yeah, and click on the first one. Yeah, the second one also. Anything is fine. So here, let it open. Yeah, come down. So select JDK 17 on the top. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
there's the no JDK 17.
JDK,
JDK
sir.
17. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Click on
Okay.
that and come down now.
Yes.
There will be a select Windows instead of Linux. Select Windows. There is an option. Linux, Mac OS, Windows. On the top, yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, now
Windows.
install
Yeah.
the last one, MSI installer. MSI installer, yeah. So download this and probably you don't have the Java path right now. So
Yeah, I don't have
you
it. Okay, I will
you
set
have
up
not installed
locally.
Java also. Yeah. So you
Yes.
have to install it locally. And do you know how to set up the path?
Yes. I will do that.
Okay. So just set up the path and also download Maven as well. Can you just can you just open the second tab?
This here.
No, just select download Maven. Just type download Maven.
Download Maven. Okay.
Yeah.
Maven, which version, sir? I can go for Windows or
No.
download.
Just download Maven. That's it.
Okay.
Press enter and go to the first link.
Okay. Today I will set up both JDK and Maven sir today in my local.
Yeah, do that and probably you will not be facing any issues. And in the SDKs, you need to select the JDK home path. That's it. Your issues will be resolved. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you, Naresh. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Mahesh. Mahesh, please unmute.
Hello, yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please share your screen?
Okay. Sir, can you see?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Can you just open Chrome and type github.com? So there is a GitHub repository, right? So open that. Yeah. So here select repositories from the left side. Select repositories. Yeah. So here you can see booking service and the payment service. Okay. So just click on booking service now. Yeah, there is a option called code, green color button, green color.
Okay. Okay.
Just click on that, and you can also download zip.
Yeah, that I know.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Thank you,
think
sir.
probably you will be getting the updated code over here only. But right now I have not committed the updated code. You can just take the download and understand how the Fame client is working over here. Okay.
Okay. Sir, I have one doubt
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
In companies project, sometimes they use job scheduling and some multi-threading uses they do. So are
Mhm.
you explaining that one, because that one is a bit complicated for me?
Multi-threading, anyhow, we'll see that in the major project, Mahesh.
Yeah.
So it's complex, I understand, but there are some techniques to learn those things as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. I will be able to explain all the things.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Mahesh. Suresh? Yeah. Share your screen, Suresh,
Yeah,
now.
I'm just sharing my screen. This is a new machine. Nothing is
Yeah.
configured. Just I
Okay.
installed
Okay.
Java, and so I just want to
Okay.
see that machine has some issue. It has a lot, like less memory storage.
Okay. Okay.
So you mentioned you have to go to this one.
Yeah. And there is a core Java to Spring Boot web project, right?
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah. Open that. Yeah, and now here I have actually created branches. Can you just click on that main?
Mhm.
So here, core Java basic code, Spring core code, Spring web code, everything is configured over here.
This one?
Just work on that. Just click on any of the things, Spring Boot web code. Yeah, and you can just click on the code and download the zip. That is the best way to download this project and import that in the IDE.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
So
Let me know if you are facing any issues while running the project. Don't you can ask even silly questions. I'm unable to run this project all the second because it's required, because there are people stuck with basic kind of things, but you can ask me those things as well.
Oh, if you can just help me on the configuration part, so that would be really
Yeah.
great, because this machine is little new, so just that will bring me to the speed.
Okay.
I was just waiting for that old laptop has some issue, so I just installed Java, JDK 17, and IntelliJ. So
Yes.
what else? I need to have this.
Maven also.
Maven is already there, right? By default, Eclipse will have. So
Okay.
what else will
No, Eclipse will have, but even in our machine, it has to be configured in environment variables.
Oh, we have to configure the Maven. Okay.
Yeah, in our
Maven
local
home,
we need to
right?
configure. Yeah, Maven underscore home has to be there, and in the path variable, Maven bin path has to be there.
Okay. So
yeah, just configure that. If you are not able to run Maven in local,
yeah.
I'll be able to help you.
Docker things, I have to see the video, right?
No, I think directly you can directly download the Docker desktop and install it. It will run on the fly. And before that, I just wanted to check one more thing. Can you just open the command prompt? CMD. And can you run one systeminfo.exe? All small letters. Systeminfo.exe. EXE. Yes. So here, I just wanted to see whether the virtualization is enabled or not. Okay. Okay. So can you see here? Yeah. So no. Virtualization. Can you see Hyper-V requirements? A Hyper-V has been detected.
Yeah. Hyphen.
So
yeah,
that
correct.
means, yeah. So close your command prompt and can you go to the search bar in the Windows search bar, bottom. In the bottom, there is Windows search bar. Yeah. So can you just type Windows feature, Windows space feature? Yeah.
Windows.
Can you just go to turn Windows feature on or off? Can you just go to that?
Windows features.
The top one. The
Turn
first
off.
one, yes. Yeah, no, yeah. Select that one. So here there is something called Hyper-V. Can you just see that option Hyper-V? Scroll down.
Oh, H side. Okay.
See, virtual machine platform is there. Where is Hyper-V?
I don't see Hyper-V. Windows.
Can you just enable the Windows subsystem for Linux? There has to be a Hyper-V. Okay, but anyhow, if you just install, okay, do one thing. Select Windows subsystem.
Okay, Windows Hyper. This one
I
platform.
think it is, yeah, hypervisor platform. But in some systems, it will be Hyper-V. But in my system, you can see, yeah, select that one. Yeah, and click on OK. Yeah, so it will ask you to restart your system if it is needed. Then probably you can install the Docker desktop. So it will be able to run on your system without any issues. Just wait for some time. Yeah, applying changes. Once the the virtualization is enabled, then probably Docker will run. People will not make the virtualization by default enabled, so we need to enable that. Okay. Yeah, I think you can restart now. I will, yeah, that's it. Okay, Ashok.
Sir, are you commit the code, latest code?
Sorry?
Are you commit the latest code in GitHub, sir?
No, I have not committed the code in GitHub, but you can take the updated code from the Telegram app for now.
Okay.
Yeah. So I need to create branches for each and everything. So that's the reason I have not yet committed into the GitHub. You can just take the zip files.
Today you committed something, sir, in GitHub that you will be latest one, or how is it, sir?
No, I have not committed anything in GitHub today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I will let you know whenever I'm committing anything latest in GitHub. I will let you know in the Telegram channel.
So latest code, whatever you share in the Telegram room yesterday, that one only latest code, sir?
Yeah, that one. That one is the latest one. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Ashok. Yeah, sure, Akash. No problem. Take your own time. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's all. That's all for today, and I will meet you all tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys, and have a great day. I will meet you tomorrow. Bye.